Hello, I am Chavis Von Bradford, and today I will be showing you how to use the Samsung S21 to take amazing astrophotography pictures as long as you are at a place like this that is really dark. Hello, it's December 30th, 2024, and tonight we are going to be taking pictures of Orion with the Samsung S21. The first thing you're going to do is open up your phone on Photo. Then you will go to More, and then you will go to Pro. Once you're at Pro, you will make sure that the ISO is at 80. The speed is all the way up at 30. You don't have to touch the EV. The focus is on manual, and it is at this exact point at 0.8. And the white balance is at 4200. Okay, 4200K. So once you do that, you will then press the button. Now, once you've pressed your button, you will click the image here, and this is the image. Okay, what do you think? Do you think this is a interesting image of Orion? Now, you can go from here to the app, which is named Star Chart, to confirm if you are looking at the correct constellations.